am showing how to make your internal hard drive to your external hard drive. Let's begin. This is my internal hard drive by SEAGATE. This is 1 terabyte hard drive, and this is my enclosure. I bought this one from KANAN Computer Sales and Service.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on